Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by s squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that this one next to y, this is for integrating factor including the positive side in here. So s divided by s, number 2 divided by s. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of 2 over s, we have 2l and s. So this one we can put like this. So number 2, I will put inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s squared e to the power of s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have s multiplied by s plus 2. This one we have only e to the power of 2s, because this one multiplied by this one s plus s, we have 2s. S squared divided by s squared, we have number 1. Now I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have s squared e to the power of s y. This one, we have e to the power of 2s over number 2, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.